Pilot Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
for DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 10:30 p.m. At 9:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Elgin to Sugar Grove, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Eaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, St. Charles, Woodridge, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Franklin Park, Hinsdale, Lamont, Burridge, Oak Brook, Westmont, Roselle, and Lisle. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.